Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pouchy from Inside Out 2. So first let's get started with the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for that right eye. Moving inside of that to the right hand side now, we're going to draw in a small circle in the center. Let's move over to the left now. We're going to draw in a smaller circle for our left eye, connecting that over on the side. And then again on the left hand side, we're just going to draw in a small circle in the left hand corner. Let's draw in the mouth now. So coming over to the right, we're going to draw in a small square. So we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come up towards the top right, ending those at the same height. And now from here, we're going to close those off with a straight line on the top and the bottom. For the zip, on the right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. And then we'll do the same thing flipping over on the left hand side. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. In the center now, let's draw in a circle. And now let's draw in the rest of the mouth. So we're going to come over on the left hand side beside the left eye and draw two small diagonal lines that come up towards the top left. And then we're going to close those off with a diagonal line on the top and then as well on the bottom. Now from here for the top of the mouth, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then moving down, we're going to replicate that again, curving this line around and then up. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and then back up on the right. And then stepping further out, let's replicate that one more time. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and we're going to leave an even amount of space as we come over to the left-hand side and replicate that. And then flipping over on the right-hand side, we're going to do that again. Now coming down towards the bottom lip, we're going to curve this line down, coming over to the right, arching these lines out, again leaving an even amount of space as we move up on our right hand side. And now as we move over on the left hand side, we're going to replicate that one more time. Now let's draw in the tongue. So on the top left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now let's frame in the top of the head. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line from the eye to the zipper. And then we're going to continue to curve this diagonal line up towards the top right. And then coming towards the left hand side of the eye, we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes out on the left hand side. Now from here, we're going to draw a nice big arch line. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then moving over on the right hand side, we're going to connect this together by curving this line all the way around and then blending that in on the bottom. Let's move over towards the side now. Coming down, we're going to draw another diagonal line that stretches out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now to the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. On the right hand side now, we're going to curve this line up, across, and then down. And then on the bottom, bringing that out, up, and then back in on a diagonal, connecting that together. Now let's move over on the left hand side. On the top, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And now from that point, we're just going to again curve this line back around and then in. On the side, let's draw a diagonal line that comes up towards the top. And then we'll replicate this over on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Pouchy from Inside Out 2. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.